This is my toy frenzy. Come frenzy with me.
Hi everybody. We have Assassin's Creed from Mega Bloks. It's a collector construction set. Adewale? I'm not sure how to say his name. We can customize with authentic accessories, it says. Let's take them out and see. All right. We have a little instruction paper on all the different ways we can take him apart. All the pieces it came with, and a little how-to on how to set up his little background scene. All right, let's get putting it together. Alright, there's our little assassin with his pistol and his other weapons, his little knife and his sword, along with his little rustic background scene. Alright, we're going to take this guy apart and see what all his body will do. Set down that, pop his little knife out, slide his sword out from his belt, stick that one in the bucket. Alright, so his elbows twist and pop off, arms pop apart at the elbow. Ooh, they also pop out at the shoulders. Go ahead and get his arms all out. Make it easier to get his clothes off. There's his hood, not actually connected to his jacket. Here's his little strap across his chest. Oh, I wonder if that's where his sword was supposed to go. No. We're just spotting the belt for it. I guess he can carry his gun in there. Let's see, his head should pop off. Yep. There we go. Take off his belt. Well, let's see. His vest comes off and his belt and his torso is supposed to pop off as well. Pop his legs apart. They pop off from the side. Alright. pop his upper legs off. This is kind of a pain to get off. Oh, that's because it's connected. Alright, I gotta get the torso popped off. Alright, torso's off. Now we can take off his little skirt. Bottom part of his jacket's actually what that is. And then there's his pelvic area and his leg joints. Okay, so we have our guy completely taken apart. Now we can put him back together. I'm gonna put him back together a little less dressed, more of a shirtless ninja type. Okay. Here's our little ninja dude, accessorized a little differently. The less of his, he doesn't have his robe on, or his hood and belt. So I think it's kind of cool how much you can take him apart and change him up. So, fun little figurine collector set. Especially if you are a fan of the game Assassin's Creed. Alright, thanks for watching My Toy Frenzy. Subscribe below. Comment with any requests or comments. Let me know what you're thinking. Thanks, bye. I don't know if you can see him, but he has gray face paint, war paint, on his face, under his eyes, and on his chin.